Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go and jump right into it. Before we do so, watch out for spam, WhatsApp, all that good stuff down in the comments down below, guys. So get ready for this because today should be a good day for the market. A lot of opportunity. What you want to do is get in and get out. Liquidate all assets, guys, and be in the cash position. If you was to hop in, take advantage of the meat of the move on today, guys, because I do believe the market is going to run upwards on today. I told you guys on Monday I was going to let it digest, see what it do. I wouldn't be surprised if they pull it down, and that's exactly what happened. Now going into today, we should see a little bullish activity. It is going to be a very, very short week. Thursday is Thanksgiving. The market will be closed, and then on Friday mine will be closed too. I don't even know why they open it up just to close at 1 o'clock. A lot of people will be on the sidelines during that day. It won't be much volume, in my opinion, unless on today things shock. We start to go have a nice spike going into next week and it start early. And then that way on Friday, the short day, it may do surprise people, being for the fact that we know the market is way oversold. But like I told you guys, if it don't go ahead and close this gap fill, come down another 15 to 17%, the overall stock market, Bitcoin come down another $5,000-6,000 down to that 10K range to close that gap, then I do see, all this bullish activity just being short-lived. That's why I advise, or not advise, because we can't give financial advice. I'm just letting you guys know what I'm doing. But I would, make my money, get out, be liquidated, sit on the sidelines, and wait for the next moves to come around, and also wait till the market turns over into a bullish market that's going to be in the next month or so, guys. I said the next month, maybe 2 months going into 2023, the market is going to turn around drastically. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Stock futures tick higher on Tuesday morning. Stock futures rose Tuesday morning as worries over COVID cases in China kept investor sentiment in check. Futures tied. The Dow Jones climbed 75 points, while the S&P futures 500 were 0.2% higher. The NASDAQ 100 futures advanced 0.1%. So let's go ahead and take a further look at what's going on, guys. So I just alerted a nice play in VIP. I called out a stock last night on the channel as well. Dang, I got my wrong phone. I don't even got my right stuff on this phone, but let me pull it up real quick. So if we go ahead and take a look, guys, we see Bitcoin is actually taking off this morning. Ethereum, we know Bitcoin take off. The rest of the babies is going to pull along right behind it. And like I told you guys, we could see Bitcoin shoot from 16 here to 20,000, a little over 20K, just to come right back down and drop 50%. Because it ain't over just yet, guys. But like we know, nobody knows exactly where the bottom or the top is going to be at. I'm just sharing my opinion with you guys and, letting you guys know I don't think the bearish activity is all the way over just yet. So if we go ahead and take a look at it, guys, we see we got Tilray starting to climb in the pre-market. Carvana, which was I alerted in VIP, guys. That's definitely a buy opportunity in my opinion. The fundamentals are poor with Carvana, meaning, they got a lot of things that's going on, a lot of red flags, getting their license revoked from certain states. They're not profitable. You can go on and on. They're not giving people certain titles to cars, this, that, and third. But I had a good experience with Carvana, honestly. I got, as soon as I got my title, got everything I needed from them. But anyways, different experience for different people. I do believe even with that going on, I don't know no business in America that's perfect and don't have no type of complaints. You can't. Everyone is not for everyone. Everybody is not for everybody, meaning, it ain't gonna, if something is 100% perfect, I'd be kind of skeptical of that as well too. You get what I'm saying? Because ain't nothing in America. All business is going to have a flaw. So that's what most people don't realize or understand. But I know the same thing that they putting out now for Carvana is how I got manipulated when I first got involved in the stock market years ago with Snapchat. Snapchat was at $5 a share. I was like, dang, this is a great investment. Social media company, big in the space, but the value of the stock is very cheap. Let me buy this. This could easily go up in value. So why I got scared, because I was newbie. And guess what? Listening to everything, what they talking about on the media, on the news. Oh, Snap is bad. Snap is going to, you know, just saying all the negative stuff they could. It was going to get shut down because of this or that. You know, saying the same thing what they saying about Carvana. It's just interesting. And I love experience, man. I just love experience. I can't get enough of experience because it teaches you. It shows you the way or whatnot. And Carvana could be a bust for me. But I look at it as, hey, where else is it going to go? If it go to $5, $4, $3, $2, $1, now I can get 7x the position I bought at $7 if it go to $1 for the fraction of the price. So give me more of it. That's how I'm looking at it. And if it go bang, it go bang. If it go down to zero and never come back, oh well. I see opportunity, guys. I see opportunity. And that opportunity is in price action, not the fundamentals of the company. So I'm talking about 100, 200% return with this play right here. So y'all know I'm gonna pull this video up and show you. But anyways, you guys already know what to do. Edgeboy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. And that penny stock I had talked about in last night's video was NMTC. Some people said it was chasing. Of course, I don't just buy stocks or looking at stocks because they up over 40% or whatever the case may be. That's why I told you guys I'm waiting for a pullback. And if it pulls back under $1, the low dollars, that would possibly be a nice jump dip by to get in on the opportunity just for it to run back up to 120, 130, and then sell. Just taking advantage of the meat of the move, guys. And like I told you guys, you know, people don't want to take what they can take and learn from it. They'd rather just bash it. But anyways, what I was saying was that's a first green day. That's a strategy. Whenever it stop, let it do what it need to do first. Don't try to time. I mean, you could time certain individual stocks and companies. Of course, I'm going to be the first one there. Just like AMC, the first one there before the explosion come. And still, the way you even be the first one there is a sector thing. If Tesla go off, sometimes it's an EV company, majority of the time it's an EV company that's going to take off with Tesla, but it didn't go yet. So I'm going to be the first one there. Same thing with this. I'm pretty sure if I wanted to, I could find something in that same space that didn't go off yet that's about to go off next. So same thing. Of course, we're going to be there first sometimes, but if you ain't there first and it was consolidating, it's a first green day. That's a strategy for that penny stock. Usually whenever a stock's in consolidation for a long period of time, and then it shoot from $1 to $2 after it being sitting at $1 for months, you call that a first green day. Usually, theoretically, after a first green day, not all the way, so don't just look for first green days and, oh, BA said it, so I'm going to make money every time. No, nothing ain't that naive in the stock market. But anyways, first green day theoretically can give you money on the next day. If you catch it, of course, if it's the first green day, it's up. It done ran up 20, 30, 40%. That's why you want it to drop 10, 15, 20%. Hop in, and then it have the advantage, it have the control to possibly go higher or at least go back to where it was. And that's how you make the money on the price action. So you already know, guys, a lot of this stuff has to do with price action. Bump the news, block out the noise, bump the catalyst, bump all that. Use that as a little homework. I peep in, you know, peep behind the door, see what's going on. But other than that, you know, stay price action. Price action. So you already know what to do, man. I love y'all at Getting VIP. Get your free stock down below with Webull and Robinhood and all that good stuff. I love y'all, man. We out and God bless you. We go.